morning, students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine. So how was your exam? It was good, right? Very good. In the last video class, we have completed the chapter 4, right? So today we will learn a new thing. Okay? That is he, she and this. Okay? So open your book at page number 21. This page. Hope you can see this page. Okay? So first he. We will learn about he. So what is he? He is a pronoun. Okay? He is a pronoun. Look, he is a pronoun. We will use he instead of a name of a boy. Understand? So when we will use he, we will use he to identify a boy. Okay? As example, he is a boy. Okay? So that time we have to use he. So I will read again. Okay? He is a pronoun. We will use he instead of a name of a boy. Okay? Example, Johnny is a good boy. In the first sentence, I have used name. That is Johnny. Johnny is a good boy. Okay? In the next sentence, I have used he instead of Johnny. Instead of his name, I have used he. Okay? He has a cycle. Here he means Johnny. I want to say about Johnny. But I have used he instead of Johnny. Okay? Johnny is a boy. That's why I have used he. Hope you can understand. So Johnny is a good boy. He has a cycle. Okay. So another example I can give you that Ron has a book. Ron has a book. Okay. In the next sentence, I'll write he loves to read. Okay. In the next sentence, I will use he instead of Ron. Okay. Ron is a boy. That's why I have used he. Okay. So Ron has a book. He loves to read. Okay, students, hope you can understand. Very good. Next, we will learn about she. She. She is also a pronoun. Like he, she is also a pronoun. But there has a difference. What is the difference? We will use she when we want to denote a girl or a woman. That time we have to use she. Look at the board carefully. She is a pronoun. We will use she instead of a name of a girl. Understand? We will use she instead of a name of a girl. Example, Rosie is a good girl. Rosie is a good girl. Okay? See the next sentence. She has a doll. Here she means Rosie. But I have used she instead of her name, Rosie. Okay? Rosie is a girl. So I have used she. Okay students, now look at the second example. Mary is a honest girl. Okay, Mary is a honest girl. In the next sentence, I will write she always speaks the truth. Okay, Mary is a honest girl. In the next sentence, I have used she. She always speaks the truth. Okay, so instead of Mary, I have used she in the second sentence. Okay students, hope you can understand. Mary is a girl, so I have used she instead of her name. Okay, so Mary is an honest girl. She always speaks the truth. Okay, so students, hope you can understand the difference between he and she. He always denote a boy and she always denote a girl. That is the difference between he and she. Okay, very good. So students, hope you can understand the difference between he and she. Now we will learn about this. Okay, so what is this? When we will use this, do you know? Okay, I am telling. This, we will use this to identify a thing or person or animal which is close to us. We will use this to identify. Okay? To identify a thing or a person or an animal which is close to me, which is close to us. That time we will use what? We will use this, isn't it? Right. So, as example, this is a book. Why I have used this? Because this book is close to me. You can also see this book is close to me. That's why to identify this book, I have used this. This is a book. Understand? Now look at the next examples. This is a cat. Okay. Here the cat is close to us or the cat is close to me. That's why I have used this. Next example. This is a pen. Look, this pen is close to me. You can see this pen is close to me. So, to identify this pen, I have to use this. This is a pen. Okay. Last example. This is a board. Here also the this board is close to me. That's why I have used this. Understand? Very good. Okay students, now open your book. I will read these examples, these sentences. You listen to me carefully. Okay? This page. Okay? Okay. First example. First sentence. This is mom. This is mom. Next sentence. Mom has a hat. This is mom. See? This is mom. Okay? Mom has a hat. Students, mom is a girl, right? So, in the second line, what can we use instead of mom? What can we use? We can use she. Very good. We can write like this. This is mom. She has a hat. Right? Very good. Now look at the next sentences. This is pa. Why we have to use this? Because the dog is close to us. And here also mom is close to us. That's why I have to use, or we have to use this to identify mom. Okay? So this is mom. Mom has a hat. Next sentence. This is pup. This is pup. Pup is a dog. Pup is on the mat. Pup is on the mat. Okay? Now look at the next examples. This is dad. This is dad. Here dad also close to us. So we have to use this. This is dad. Dad has a red mug. Here what can we use instead of dad? What can we use? We can use which pronoun? He or she. Dad is a boy. So we will use he. Very good. He has a red mark. We can write like this. He has a red mark. Okay? So this is dad. We can write like this. He has a red mark. Okay? So I will read again. Okay? This is dad. Dad has a red mark. Pup has a hat. Pup has the hat. Pup has the hat. Run, pup, run. Run, pup, run. Run, mom, run. Okay? Understand? Very good. Students, hope all of you have understand the use of he, she and this. Okay? So, at home, read the use of he, she and this. Okay? I'll give some exercise from this, and except this, you have to memorize the sentences which you read in the book. Okay? Which you have read in the book. These sentences. You have to memorize these sentences properly. Because from these sentences, I'll give some exercise also. As example, look at the first example. Like, this is mom. Right? I'll give this sentence. In the next sentence, I'll give the blank. Mom has a desk. Like this I'll give you some exercises. So to solve this exercise, you have to read the sentences properly, right? So you have to read the sentence and you have to solve the exercise. So mom has a hat, right? Very good. So students, what you have to do, I repeat again, you will read the use of he, she and this, and you have to memorize properly the sentences. Okay? That's for today. Stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you.